Want to change the size of your app icons on the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G? In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to make them bigger or smaller in just a few taps. Begin by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll through the menu until you find Home Screen, then tap it to open the Home Screen customization options. In this section, locate App Size. Depending on your One UI version, the option may be labeled App and Widget Style instead. Open whichever option is available on your device. You'll now see a slider that lets you adjust the size of your app icons. Moving the slider to the right makes the icons larger, which can improve visibility and make them easier to tap. Sliding it to the left reduces their size, allowing more icons to fit on your home screen. As you move the slider, your phone will usually display a preview so you can see how the icons will look before finishing. This makes it easy to find a size that matches your preference. Once you've selected the icon size you like, tap Done or Save if that button appears. On many Samsung devices, the changes are applied immediately, so you can simply leave the Settings app and enjoy your updated home screen. You can return to this menu anytime if you decide to adjust the icon size again. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your newly customized Samsung Galaxy A37 5G home screen.